So I got a question for you. Can a printed mouthpiece from a 3D printer play on a trumpet? Let's find out. All right, so I've been playing around with a 3D printer. I have a printed mouthpiece for the cornet and a regular metal mouthpiece for the cornet. So let's see how they sound. So this is the regular one. Again, I'm not much of a trumpet player. This is the printed mouthpiece, and this is the metal mouthpiece for the cornet. Okay, so that's the middle one. Let's try the printed one. So I think you can hear a little bit of a difference between these two here. Now, one of the problems is it's hard to print exactly the right size for this thing. So this doesn't quite fit into this cornet. So I'm just going to continue to experiment around with some different sizes and whatnot to try to get it exactly right. But it does play. It does actually play. As always, rock and roll, and of course it does compete. If you like this type of content, please subscribe to my channel. My name is Herbert Midgley. I am the internet legend, the most unique content anywhere in the universe. Where else are you going to see somebody that can't really play the trumpet use a printed mouthpiece from a 3D printer and play for you? Nowhere.